Today I'm going to show you how to take your train model and deploy it as an app using Gradio, which we have integrated into PerceptiLabs. So I'm going to take this trained convolutional neural network. We can take a look at it here on the workspace, where we have used the wildfire dataset. So it's a dataset to detect wildfires. And we have trained the model. We can take a look at the statistics here, see that it performed pretty well. We can also look at the evaluation metrics that has been generated already. But today we're not going to focus on the modeling or the training or evaluation. We're going to actually deploy this model as an app. So we go into this deploy page and we select the trained models that we have here. So now I take this convolutional neural network, select it, and just press this button. And as it says here, it will open up in a new browser tab. So let's wait while PerceptiLabs is deploying this model as an app using Gradio. And we can see it here right away in the browser. So let's try out the model. This is our app. So let's upload a photo of a wildfire and submit it. And it detected as a fire. And it's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching and listening today.